For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. To make the snake ring, we're just going to take our flat pliers and make a triangle to represent the head. So down, down, and then across there. And then we want to bend this down, so we're just going to bend that straight down. And then across, pinch that. Take a round form or ring mandrel, bring this right around. And then we're just going to form a curvy tail, so bring that one around. And then down, and then down, and we're just going to curve the end. So just curve it around so it's not scratchy. You could pinch it a little bit. You can tighten up the curves if you want, just by pushing these in a little bit around here. Really depends on how long your wire is. Do any adjustments you like. And there you have your super funky and simple snake ring. And this one I made the tail a little less curvy.